All right, today I am showing off my Harbor Freight right angle sander. This is one of my favorite tools. It does require air, but this spinning disc saves me a lot of time and makes carving, say, the neck pretty fun and pretty efficiently. However, you really do have to practice this before you start doing anything major, because you can seriously take off a lot of material with this that you weren't expecting. I think I got this for right around 40 or 50 bucks at Harbor Freight, and then the discs come in like a system, which I think they're like $6.99. I believe they're around 60 grit. And basically what I do is I just trim nice and neatly, slowly like this, and take it down. I have marks, so that way when I'm sanding, I don't go too far, and I want to get it just to the point where I want to start hand sanding. That's the key. So this kind of gets me there pretty quick. Let me show you. Here we go. So as you can see, this takes off material fast. I noticed when I was using a rasp, it would take a long time, and there's a lot of merit to people that like that side of being patient. It allowed me to speed the process up. Also, it felt like you're carving something as well. So these little discs, as you can see here, just in that little bit of time, it pretty much takes the material right off. So I have a lot of these kind of ready to go. And just kind of take it slow, and obviously you can't put the wood back on. So right angled air sander, I love it.